न्ही तो म्हणटा तूं जोडा नाल्यार चर्चेन घेवचो.
आणि तुमच्या
म्हाका
सारखं
दिसता हें केन्ना सोंपचें ना.
हय.
तो आमचेर बेजार आहा. सो तो बेजारूच तो रावता रावनी आमी कोणाचेर बेजार ना. In this COVID situation, we should not talk or fight with each other. As a minister of Bhardesh, I am ready to help him or anybody in this COVID situation. I am ready to even talk to him on any situation where COVID is concerned. The COVID cases spike जाता. आमच्या कितें हेल्प जावं तेका आमी करपाक रेडी.
तुमचे पण त्यांची सिरियस एलिगेशन बी घातली घातला तिने.
खूब घालतलो. एलिगेशनाचेर आमी उलोवपाक गेले जाल्यार आमी तो घालतलो आमी आन्सर दितले. सो हें सोंपचेंच ना. सो म्हाका दिसता हें सोंपपाक जाय ही एलिगेशनां. सो तो कितें उलयता तेजो आन्सर हांव दिवचो ना. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू गिव आन्सर्स टू हिम. नो, इन दीस कोवीड सिच्युएशन इज नॉट रायट फॉर मी टू गिव आन्सर्स टू हिम. लेट थिंग्स इम्प्रूव. इलेक्शनूय येतलें न्हू लागीं तेन्ना मागीर पळोवया.
But sir, he has done serious allegation on you that
The
the
PDA
scam is around
scam.
250 crores.
हय.
मंत्री कोण आहलो तेन्ना?
Rohan Kaute
ना आय वॉज PDA चेअरमॅन. मिनिस्टर तो आहलो गव्हर्मेंटान आहलो. तो एकूय दीस उलोवंक ना. फ्रॉम द टायम ही वॉज मिनिस्टर 2017 मार्चानसून टील 2018 न्हू 19 मार्च. तो एकूय दीस उलोवंक ना. आय हॅव नेवर हर्ड. तुमी आयकला केन्ना तरी ताणें म्हटलां की PDN स्कॅम आहलो म्हणून?
आता कितें कर.
हांवें काय आयकोंक ना. तुमी आयकला जाल्यार तुमी सांगा.
No, he has taken the.
आतां तो उलयता ही भाशा आमच्या ऑपोजिशनाची. जे कलंगूट आमचे ऑपोजिशन उलयताले 450 crores केन्ना उलयताले? हांव MLA ह्या इलेक्शनाक MLA जावचे पयलीं उलयताले आमचे ऑपोजिशन. तीच भाशा तो उलयता. तेणी मिटींग केल्या आमचे दोग जाण इलेक्शनाक जे पडल्या. एक सालिगांव भरलेलो, एक कलंगूट भरलेलो. ते आनी हो मेवल्या. सो तेजेर भासाभास करया नाका. कोणें केदें व्हडलें स्कॅम केला तें देवूच जाणा. आनी तो मंत्री आहलो तेका घोडे खबर आसतली आमच्या स्कॅमाचें न्हू, तेंचे भितर कितें जालां पळय तें. सो हांव तेजेर उलयना. नो एलिगेशन्स,
You want to say that there was
no counter allegations, no putting any charges on him also. This is COVID times. These are serious times. These are difficult times. We need to help the people. And I am requesting him as a colleague in the Legislative Assembly, stop playing these dirty tricks, this dirty politics of allegations and counter allegations. Let us stop this. Let us help the people instead. In helping people. So the allegation is सोपचीच ना. According to me, right now there are no tourists in Goa. Very, very small percentage. You can't even count them. Not even 1%. You can say. So hardly any tourists.
रिसेंटली तुमच्या ह्याच्यात जाणून टुरिझम
No, tourism. See, there are two things. One is COVID, which is very serious. And the one side is economic. म्हणजे लोकांचे पोट. सो दोनूय वाटेन पळोवचें पडटा. अशें न्हू की तूं एकूच वाटेन पळयलें आनी दुसऱ्या वाटेन लोक उपाशी पडटले. सो त्या खातीर सरकारान डिसिजन घेतलेलें की स्लोली ट्युरिझम स्टार्ट जावचें. पूण पीपल आर नॉट इन अ मूड टू ट्रॅवल. I have not started my resort for a simple reason that both the hubs, that is Mumbai and Delhi, where all the flights, connecting flights come there, and then from there people travel. Supposing a flight is coming from Haryana, comes to Delhi, from Delhi the next flight comes to Goa. So all these flights have been stopped because the number of cases have got spiked over. Number of cases have increased. Like today we see a lot of testing in Goa, and we have seen the number of cases increasing in Goa. We have seen a lot of asymptomatic people being detected. They are taken to COVID care centers. Who have got symptoms are being taken to COVID hospital. The same way it is happening in Delhi and Mumbai and other places as well. So question of tourists coming in those numbers are not there. Very, very small, like less than 1% have come. And looking at this lockdown, I don't think they will also want to come, because now we have imposed curfew from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. So you cannot move out of your hotel or your guest house at night at all. So curfew is for everyone. So I don't think till 10th of August we don't see tourists coming to Goa. That tourism is stopped. But it is natural that tourists will know.
But can
I am talking about Indian tourists.
But can tourism continue like that?
Tourism continue. In this COVID situation, there are no tourists coming to Goa, which I had earlier also given a press. I stand by that only.